TSA Oxford 2020, question 6. A teacher is organizing a trip to the local zoo for 20 students. Of 20 students, 12 are aged 11 to 15, 8 are 16 to 18. Tickets cost $12.95 per adult and $9.95 per child. For every 4 students under 16, they must have 1 teacher supervising them. They will take the minimum number of teachers. Okay, so this question format is very common, the one where you have to buy tickets for a group. Sometimes it comes with analyzing the best deal. So for example, it says, well, you can either get the deal where there's, you can buy, for example, the family deal where 2 adults and 2 children can go in for a certain price, or you can buy the tickets on some other type of promotion or discount. So this question format is really common, and once you practice this a lot, it's going to become second nature. So just read the question carefully, write out your thoughts, and make sure you don't get confused. Outline all the information that the question is asking you. So this question is pretty straightforward. What was the total admissions price for the group? Okay, so there are 20 students, of which 12 are 11 to 15 years old. Okay, and then there's 8 of them that are 16 to 18. Okay, that's pretty straightforward, right? For every 4 students under 16, they have to have 1 teacher supervising them. Okay, so under 16s are these students here. Change color. Right? So for every 4 students, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So they're going to need 3 teachers supervising, right? Plus 3 teachers. Okay, and that's the minimum number of teachers. So we're going to take 3 teachers. Fine. Then let's just calculate how many. Let's take a look at the ticket classes one more time, right? So it says it costs $12.95 per adult. That's anyone 16 years of age and over. Okay, so 16 years of age, we have 8 students that are 16 or over, and we're assuming that all the teachers are 16 and over. So plus 3 equals 11. So 11 people need the $12.95 ticket. Let's see, what am I writing here? Let's see. We have 11 people that need the $12.95 adult tickets, and they're going to add that to $9.95 per child for those 2 to 15 years of age. So we have 12 of those. Okay, so we need 12 times $9.95. Okay. Remember that on the TSA, you don't get to use calculators, right? No calculator. So you have to kind of put your mind to use here. This is, what you could do is a long multiplication, but what I think TSA wants you to do, and what the timing of this test is really going to force you to do, is get smart with your calculations, right? So instead of multiplying by $12.95, another thing you can do is multiply by 13 pounds, right? So 11 times 13 pounds, and later we're just going to subtract 11 times 5p, right? 0.05. So 11 times 13, okay, so 11 times 11 is 121, plus 2 more 11s, so that's plus 22, so that comes out to 143. Okay, so this equals 143. And then for the second part of the equation here, we'll do 12 times 10 pounds, that equals 120. And then we'll remember to subtract the 12 5p's that we added to make 9.95 10 pounds, right? So we need to subtract 23 5p's. So we'll do 143 plus 120. That's 263. And then we'll do 263 minus the 23 times 0.05. 20 times 0.05 is 1.00. And then we're going to add an extra 3 times 0.05. And that equals £1.15. Okay, so 263 minus £1.15 is 260. Oh, I'm having a brain fart here. 261.85, I believe. 261.85. Yes, that's correct. Okay, so we see that answer here. The answer is 261.85. The total emissions price of the group was 261.85.